Hello friends, today I'm here with another repair video. This is KISS V2 flight controller. I got it from a friend from Zack FPV. There's no sign of power in the high voltage line, but when you plug in the USB, the 5V side is working. Look at this. Yeah, the 5V side is working, but when you connect into the battery, okay, I connected. Look at this. There's no sign of power. Let's figure out what happened to the board. I'm gonna check with the multimeter. Put into the voltage mode. You can see the main power line. The positive line straightly go to this diode, this Chotsky diode. See, it's 15.8 volts. Let's check the rectifier. There's no volt there. Oh, look at this, look at this. There's a small hole in the diode. I think you can see. Okay, look at this here. There's a damaged diode here. There's a small hole inside in the middle of the diode. I think this is the cause in the problem. Let's see, it's passing the voltage or not. No voltage, 0 voltage. Okay, now we need to change this diode and let's see with its work or not. First of all, I'm adding some flux. I'm gonna heat up the board with heat gun. This one is really stubborn. Okay, let's clean up the pads, add some more flux, and before I place the Chotsky diode, we need to check is there any shorts in that board. Okay, we don't have any short here. Let's replace the Chotsky diode. Unfortunately, I couldn't able to find out any SMD diode. I'm gonna use this through hole diode instead of SMD diode. It's quite difficult to place it on this board. It's quite a big one, so I'm gonna place it here. Let's see. We had a bridge here. Let's clean up. Okay, the soldering part is done. Let's clean up the board. Okay, my replacement is done. I added a true hole Shakti diode in here, and yeah, let's check the flight controller. I'm now gonna powering up. Woohoo! It's working. Look at this, it's working. Awesome. So the repair is done. I'm gonna send back this flight controller to my friend Zack FPV. So hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe my video for more repair videos. Stay tuned. Good luck. Bye bye.